How to get shout out happy birthday on Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now tap on the plus icon under your story. Now click on camera. Now at the left part of your screen, tap on create button. Now select the color of your background. At the bottom right corner, tap on the color options to change the color. Now select the color that matches your vibe. Now tap on this option. Now under happy birthday, tap on the at the rate and mention the person. Now select the template. Now tap on the sticker icon. Now find the sticker you want to add. If you want to search for it, tap on the search bar. Now click on search. Now add the stickers and tap on next. Now click on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.